So this is the nightlife of New Orleans. Enough things are going. Yeah, things actually. Nice and everywhere. Nightlife look good. Poolside breakfast. So we have like boiled dumpling. We have some fruits right here. This is mango, ackee and saltfish, pressed plantain, and we have some juices. We have like pineapple juice and you know all those kind of goodies. So yeah, it's a good day. Good morning. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another good episode of Yard and Foreign Life TV. Right now, we're there in Louisiana. Yeah, we're there in Louisiana, and it's like their restaurant depot, Louisiana. So stick around and stay tuned. So we're gonna see what's going on. Fresh pineapple. That are them there. The mango yeah. Not much for mango them. Yo. You don't want no mango? I don't know one left. Eh? Nah man. Can't see mango and left you know.
Me too.
You can't understand how you gone.
I don't know.
I don't know how you gone. Nah man. Yo, you know eat mango? You know eat mango?
Yeah man.
Eh?
Yeah, go on.
Nah man. I walk well for mango. Look at the mango them good looking you know. One of them right. That one. And if you good enough. So watch out, two of them ripe. Listen.
You look down and see if you find the right for one and put it in the box.
So you want to do that?
Yeah, can do that. What's the boy?
Can't believe so you don't see mango them. And I walk well left them. Oh, nice one, ripe one. Ripe one, missing already, you know.
What is it?
You think this right?
Yeah. What are they?
Alright, and put back that one. Wait.
Take out one green one.
Back one green one. And put it back in my box. And next one, you know.
Can do that. Better. What are big one? What are they?
Where?
See this one?
This? And that one is not too ripe.
Third.
We have enough ripe one. Let me tell you. We have like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 green one in there. The rest of them ripe. You satisfied now?
Eh?
You satisfied? Good. Yeah man.
So you have to buy a box.
So hold on there. The mango them look like. See price over there sir. Yeah, look like a $12 mash. Pineapple them look away. Alright, run things. Yeah, so we have all different kind of goodies, just like watch that, see that? Rice.
No time. What's up at this?
So sorry, you know. Yeah, I wanna. Cool. Ice cool. You go hurry up and come out of this. Yes, sir. I must know that pan the ground, you know. Yes, sir. Cool. Yeah. See it. Good. Nice. Okay, thanks. I saw it just dripping on my head a while ago. Right. So now look bad. The fish look good still, no? But then you can scrub they say man at work. Pork. You have all kind of food in there and all kind of meat. So they have wax steel in by the box, you know. But I ain't your ass too. There damn cool, you know. Glasses all frost up. Frost up on it. Yeah. Time cool. You know me eat this morning and feel hungry again. Saltfish? No? You see it? You see it? What you say? You see it?
Oh my god. It should be in the fridge.
You want to come in there and look? So deep there.
In the fridge.
Saltfish. Where there?
Salted, the reason why they salted it because back in the old days they didn't have refrigerators. race.
Yeah.
So that's why they call that bacalao. But here, over the British people call it fish and chips. But they didn't salt it or cook it. But it's a cold water fish. You never want to see this fish with the head on.
I know that.
Know what it look like? It look like a Dotson, a wiener dog. I can't.
And then they say this fish.
Okay.
So
My point is,
I got a tag.
yeah, no problem.
I got to prove my point. And you guys sell it.
Yeah.
Because I tell them in Orlando, they sell it.
Yeah, we sell this shit. We sell this shit like crazy. And the only why it went up, watch this shit come close. See this nigga right here with all this red on? And that shit coming from out of Canada, so they bring some fucking damn tariffs on this shit. That shit right by used to be like $6 a pound. Now you at $13. I'm like, so here you go.
At 25%.
There we go, right there. You had $12 a pound.
You want to talk? You want to talk this to me?
I gotta tag it. I got some tags, you know.
But
But I'm just telling you.
yeah, but master, you never knew.
When you show me oxtail, let me know.
Yeah, no, me have a piece.
Oh, you go for oxtail too?
Yeah, no,
Oh, so I didn't know I saw fish too.
yeah, man.
Mine's locked out.
Oh, okay.
You want it? You will never know where the food comes from, right? The tariff stick in.
Yes, that's the truth.
All this shit right here is coming from Australia. So at the end of the day, we piss some people off and
We don't have nothing to eat.
I can't afford these none of this shit I'm selling y'all. You understand? If they ain't got a Ernest tag on, I can't afford
Fix oxtail. Oxtail.
Oh, man, the oxtail not a thing. When you say the piece, it doesn't work.
So, you see so let me show you.
That's what we like to eat around. I want a couple of things. Jamaican Jerk House, and I got 14 Parish, my boy Charles. Read a lot. One thing I love about New Orleans, we are Caribbean South. And Caribbean South, we have Cuba, Colombia, Mexico, Jamaica, and Florida. I mean, we got that whole thing. So one thing I love about the food is, we stay away from skinny. I'm sorry.
You have to be
I'm
big.
just joking.
No, I know. For me, you have to be big.
Yeah, we eat down here. Our swimsuit model is about 500 pounds. Man, we be damn happy. Damn, all of that fine shit, boy. What you need to know? I'm gonna show you all our juices. You ain't saying shit. I'm shopping here all the time. Matter of fact, watch this shit. Got mine. That's Buck. Look at it. I got one more about
Oxtail?
Yeah, United Brand Box.
Oxtail, look at you. Oxtail price. You see price? I can't chew. $6.61 a pound. They're selling a box. So yeah, come to restaurant Lipo and you can get things reasonable price. John O Star. Want to come out of the fridge time. Cool enough.
Thank you very much, I appreciate it.
Yeah man. Oh, not even ask man to subscribe. I guess so. Cool. Yeah man, back to normalcy. Once I come out of the fridge, I will have my glasses frost up. John O Star.
We're there, we're not ready yet.
Yeah, I'm not sorry, people.
Jack still there.
You see, we are not so much charge. Oh, we are.
Oh, around the side, no? Around the other side.
Charles, you can drive backwards, but when you look to see, you don't walk fast.
So there's the pineapple chunks. See price there. Okay. Alright, different brands. John, what's that? In place that make you want to spend money. Wow, fun this. $5 an hour. So you can cook callaloo and saltfish nowadays. And ackee and saltfish too, you know. Yeah. So you look on the picture. 9 foot.
Brother, how long y'all down there for?
Leaving tomorrow.
What?
What is a YouTube channel?
Just a weekend.
How far y'all gotta go?
We're going back to Orlando.
Well, that ain't bad. Y'all on the south shit.
We have a YouTube channel. You want to subscribe?
Yeah, how you do this? Because I'm just got into this.
Okay. Just find YouTube on your phone and I'll do it for you.
Show me how somebody pull it out there.
Is that it?
Yeah, do that for me. Love you too.
Yeah, thank you.
You tell me you had me on YouTube and I didn't know about it?
No, don't worry about it.
Hello to the wife.
Alright, so it's this. Yard and Fine Life TV. I'm going to subscribe you.
I sure will, my bro.
Yeah, this is one of our latest videos. Let's give you a thumbs up. Alright.
So anything y'all need, y'all come down here, bro. I don't know if y'all need.
Yeah, we're going to come back soon.
I'm here every day except Thursday and Friday.
Okay.
The best days to come here literally is, I said, like a Tuesday morning, they bring everything in here.
Okay.
But we get 5 deliveries a week, sometimes 6. But Tuesday morning, they bring shit from everywhere. We don't even know what we're getting until we get open up the truck. We say, oh shit, look what we got. It's like Christmas in here.
Yeah.
One day we love in the Caribbean South, I love seafood.
Alright. Thank you very much.
We're gonna eat fish first, we don't eat nothing else.
Alright.
Gotta have fish.
Yeah.
I just got you shopping up here. I'm gonna let you know how things could be cheap. Like one case of fresh fish, like $120. I bought a thing of cooking oil, canola. I bought a case of a sack of corn flour, 25 pounds. It only came out to $10. I bought a case of the frozen fish variant of the fresh, and I bought a case of Wagyu burgers. All that together only came to 114. The case of fresh, the same fresh fish, would have cost me 120.
What we have here first?
I loaded that.
The chinkan and this one. These?
Pineapple juice, yeah.
Okay. Push.
You push.
Oh, sorry. We're doing a YouTube channel. Yard and Foreign Life TV. You want to subscribe?
Say it again.
Yard and Foreign Life TV. All English spelling.
You said Yard and Foreign?
Foreign. Foreign. Life TV. Yeah. Life TV.
TV?
Yes.
I know, bro.
What was it? 2502? So here people see that, this, and this. 2502. Reasonable price. Yeah, man. So that's how it is.
There's a new one. Some
Restaurant people. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much. Thanks for subscribing.
No problem.
Thanks.
Oh, my goodness. You just got your receipt and that's what you did with it?
Yeah, but you don't go outside.
No, just three. The juice and the mango.
And you got two on that
So
one.
that one and these two.
You got two. Longest three and two is five.
See? So you're giving the wrong person.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a quick shopping at the Louisiana Restaurant Depot. It's a life under the bridge, and that's messed up, you know. Sometimes things happen and we have to still survive, and those persons ended up living under that bridge. You know, it's just heart-wrenching.
Jamaica, that road from traffic. Because of 4 nights.
You know a man named Jimmy Swaggart, Pastor Jimmy Swaggart.
In there?
Yeah, and
Use the right 2 lanes to take the I-10 West ramp, then slide left onto the I-10 West ramp.
It's in there.
you know in church there?
You have church on New Orleans?
Baton Rouge.
Slide left onto the I-10 West ramp, then take the I-10 West ramp.
Let us we say we are doing today.
Yeah.
Hey, remember?
Where? You got the church?
No, we just didn't want to video.
No, but no, one should I do? I wake up early in the morning.
Early.
Yeah, and
Yeah, taxi.
I phone fault and my fault.
Yeah, pay me for nothing.
Because you could go
I-10 West ramp.
and reach
Continue for half a mile.
could have
Yeah, just video church
Ah,
and
video.
come back.
I-10 West.
Then may I try to tell you? No, but I earlier it is a better it is. That may I try to tell you?
Still calm. Within that area.
Benwich now.
Baton Rouge.
Benwich, I 1.5 hour to 2 hours, depends on where you go.
Oh, we never
You
know.
can do that tomorrow.
And traffic.
You can do
Okay.
that tomorrow.
Yeah, you can do that.
Or later tonight. No matter. We know. It's a night
Can do
out.
that tonight.
Continue on I-10
But they
West
do
for
it
22
tomorrow.
miles.
It's not to say as it's Titanic, confidence continue.
I remember when I remember still, you know. Yeah, look on the cemetery. Be a big house over by cemetery. Be a big house over by cemetery.
Two side symmetry.
I just don't understand why.
A two side symmetry.
Man, First Baptist Church. Is one that. Nah, man, no good.
Drive over the top. This is one straight road now, but straight to the airport. They have all you can eat down the road, so with seafood and all of that. You go in there, but them food good. But
What are they say? We supposed to go to that. I don't know if I
I
so.
don't know if
But all you can eat seafood.
I must say,
Sure,
I think I did so, but Monica they don't go one place. Monica friend tell her.
Yeah.
And you're going there, all you can eat, you know. But you can't share food with me. Yeah, you can't share food with me.
So then turn up a watch.
Of course, I'm watch you. Yeah, you can't share food with me, and all you can eat. Yeah.
So then burning the cane them when time they ready to reap them.
Yeah.
Yes. Right now we're in a pool, you know. And food prepared. More show you food. Yeah, go eat some. I eat here now. See how that look. We have Callaloo right there, so we have festival, we have press planting, we have pork right there, so pork ribs, that are jerk pork ribs and jerk chicken, barbecue pork ribs and chicken, and the meat, I don't remember that day, but trust me. But yes, it's a good life. Yeah. Good life. So here we are going on now. So here we are going on now. I'm going to sample it in front of you now. So it all the whole of it to go and enjoy. So give me 1 second. Run over here so with the camera. Alright, chef this, you know. Chef, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Right out of New Orleans.
Seeing.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Poolside breakfast.
Poolside breakfast. Seafood there, you know.
That's what's
What's the
left.
name again?
And the
What the name
ribs.
again?
Ribs?
This one.
What? The ribs?
This one, right? That's
No,
That's a pork.
roast. Watch a man, poolside breakfast.
there.
They want to get you some?
Done enough.
Poolside breakfast finish already. See them plate there.
See all the
See them
sauce
plate
there.
there.
So you know we have to
Poolside
get some of that
breakfast,
sauce.
sauce, juice, everything. Poolside breakfast.
Big up the chef, eh? Let's up the chef.
Oh,
Okay.
families,
So you not eat?
you know, families from Orlando visiting poolside breakfast. So, you know, people go vex when they see this. Alright? Oh,
Yeah, man. So, here what me I go do now. I'll go over the corner here. I'll go and enjoy the food, you see me? And the drinks and carry come and give me. Nice pool. Some beetroot and some other things mix up together. Where? Oh, I'm a good man. So, turn on the camera. Oh, man. Yeah, man. No standing thing, you see me? Tender and fresh, you know. It's really good. Yeah, man. Season right. Touch beside Callaloo. It's not Callaloo, yeah? This is where it come from, you know. See behind me. I'm a good man. See behind me. That's like that. Callaloo that, you know. Like somebody else. Tender. Season good too. I'm gonna say chef are good. Yeah, man. I like when people know how to do things in my kitchen. Yeah, man. Just beside breast planting. So the breast planting, I really turn planting, fry them to an extent, not fully fried, and then take them off ice, take them out by oil, press them, and then put them back to fry fully. vegetable tastes soft. Come like you put the easy like. Nice, you know? So you know black just have the right color. Yeah man. Some more right color look. Move to the ribs. I'm not gonna touch the chicken yet, you know. Tender too. Season right. Cook to perfection. Good. So? That? Tender. Hard to stir from pork, you know. Cheese beside chicken. Chicken, listen up. Just piece. My sauce, buddy. Sauce sweet. Flavor. Chicken itself tender. Season right. This is good life, you know. Yeah, now foreign life TV. It's a foreign life. Yeah, style. I know what's that. Chef need to get big up. Right, mister. I like when smart and the person can tangle themselves right in the kitchen. Make everything turn up. Nice, you know. Calabo. Calabo con dos, no, no. Chicken. Chicken. See if no more chicken everybody. Chicken, nice. Look, boy, sauce, deep, clear by chicken. It's good in your look. cypress planting. Cypress planting. Last night chicken. Last night ribs. Last night ribs.
Yeah. What a poolside breakfast. Tell them, cannot.
Start. Ano na? Nice. Yeah, breakfast are nice, you know? Nice. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so remember, you know, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, I would love you to do so. Give a thumbs up and share this video. Going back into the pool. So, enjoy the food.
Yeah. You know, see, they tell a story. I'm still working on mine. Still working on it. But you don't know.
Yeah, man. Tastes good, you know?
Cheers. Yeah, the sauce is bad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's bad, man.
Yeah, man.
You don't want one tonight, so we can catch it back. And I have to say, in a fridge, but we don't want anything to juice.
Yeah.
You see?
Man, I tell you.
I'll show you what it is.
Tastes good, especially for the chicken. Yeah, man. So people, poolside party. I mean poolside breakfast.
And a party.
Yeah, party. Breakfast party.
They get the music, yeah. Oh, they can carry come here.
So if the music start playing, me have to cut out it.
Okay,
True, we don't want no copyright for YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, Yard and Foreign Life TV. This is life. This is Foreign Life. Yard style.
What in the rest of yeah, the
Pool, you know. I expect to dress up and go in a pool.
What in the rest of the year?
The boss are coming to break it.
Enjoy yourself because you deserve it.
Okay, that's what you said.
See that. So I'm with you because no one in piece of juice, you understand?
Oh, that's the sauce.
Yeah. A juice,
That's
yes,
the
but not a
secret
juice.
sauce.
Yeah.
Sauce, body knife chicken, you know. Yeah, do a good work, my boss. You have more bread? I guess it up with the hallelujah, you know.
Yep. Bread back.
Any part of bread, a bread.
No, you know, some people that eat bread back. Why?
No. Stoosh.
Too man.
Yeah, better bread. Part-time bread.
The taste and the ribs. And the first
So me I work with you know.
Nah man, something that tastes right. Some say, just come out of the kitchen if you don't want to eat, you know, you throw down angle and where I go. That not nothing to do with me. So, when he reach now,
So we are work with
you
it.
see that 3 vegetables and a piece of chicken. Boy, I just make one eat and it eat off. It is fucking good. I say you don't have to tell me that. You don't have to tell me that. Now you know I know.
No food can't waste, that's all. Tastes good. Tropical punch. TV. Remember, you know, subscribe, like, and share this video. Lemonade.
You ain't need that.
Change it.
You ain't need that. You need lemonade.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna get like garlic bread. Yeah, put it right here.
I know what got me here.
Oh wow, they put way too much garlic.
It is, it's a garlic butter sauce. That's the Cajun butter.
When I came here, I remember something. So one year we went for the Christmas. So they had a seafood restaurant.
You want to go to the first
As you already know, that's what they.
Put it back. You know? So put it back.
You get that itch fried for one day.
You want
You
it?
get that itch right. Where you get it?
You don't want it?
No one. Get her off.
Get it come around the place, huh?
But you mean I have free too much of the shell. Like normally, I'm going to put them in like custom.
We say it's a dainty.
Yeah, man. Where I gotta turn the flash on? No.
So when I come in them place, just take one bite off of each thing. You take up enough things. You take up too much of one thing, just one spoon of one thing. And then take one bite off of each. And that's it. That plate I'm done with. So, it's a garbage plate.
I am looking at you have to take your picture.
Stop the plate.
Yes, I can manage that one.
Yeah, no, not again.
I ain't worried about no picture.
What?
I ain't worried about no picture.
She said she's not worried about the picture.
He's not worried about no picture.
Middle quarters.
Probably better than the quarter.
No, middle quarters better than this.
The one that you had. The last one you had.
I said middle quarters better than this.
And they do this every day?
Oh, sorry.
If they don't know views, yeah. They don't know views,
You want to touch me hand yet? Alright, we're done.
I eat nothing. Just up here.
No, that was that.
What kind of stuff in this?
I'm gonna go and look. Because these are different. Those are dungeons and stuff. But these are the regular snooker.
crab? No, no. Let me say why people eat crab, I don't know.
They just didn't do them wrong and put in too much salt. But normally, they're sweet.
The other key thing when you come to a all you get eat restaurant, no one drinking. Drinking I don't eat. Yeah, man.
So, with the cholesterol, you have to be careful with the shrimp. This lemonade tastes good.
Straight on my crab. I'm doing just some stuff.
Can't take it.
Want to taste
You fancy them things.
that the one tastes better than this.
Which one?
You want to try to get it in there, mama? That's the garlic butter sauce and that's the cake. Oh, that's too salty. You can't. That's too
Yeah, get some more egg roll.
Those things, how they could break that up. Those fried
Dumplings.
sugar biscuits. Those things, all they could
What is that? Egg roll. You say, let's get more with that. So this is the nightlife of New Orleans. Enough things are going on. Yeah, things, watch that. Nice enough everywhere. Nightlife look good. Party there everywhere. Free show. Yeah. So this is it. We are going on this. Yeah man, so like this New Orleans nightlife. I be things, you know. We blow up spears and everything. Yeah.
It's a city that never sleeps.
City that never sleep. Yeah man. Live band, you know. Things downtown gallery. So you know, see a downtown this. That's the good funding card. What is that? French Quarter in New Orleans. A museum there, so. And they're still open.
They're not gonna close.
Big things are going on, you know. Big things coming like a New York City. Oh, a tattoo shop. Grow Wiser Garden Supply. Really? Watch out. You're not on top. You're not on top. Watch out.
Right there.
Yeah. You can't go no. Watch out. Stick shift. Coming like I know that's where we come from.
Right here's where we come from.
Now walk into garbage pan.
In that video, yeah, I said that. Tell me what it's over. Come there.
John O. Star.
Listen. The parking.
Bus stop this, you know.
Turn to the park first.
Oh jeez. Yeah man, so this is it, you know. Nightlife in New Orleans, full of vibes. Yeah man.
And the parties always just start at 12 o'clock. And the cable dragon.
Anyway, see you on the next side. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give a thumbs up to this channel and share it. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.